Hi, this is Harmeet from Divine Healing. This is the official page on Facebook from where I work. I have even an Insta account in the name of Divine Healing, and I have a Facebook group in the name of Divine Blessing. It's the private group where I share each day many things, and it's the free group. If you want to join the group, you can join. All the links are shared in the description box. And basically who I am, I'm a tarot angel and a Lenormand card reader. I'm a crystal therapist and an angel therapist. And I do healings and give remedies through number cards, symbols, and even do number healings and pendulum healings. And I'm also an Apopanova practitioner. This video is regarding guidance through tarot cards for all 12 zodiacs. Basically, it is the guidance through your date of birth. And after taking out guidance through tarot cards, I will be taking out guidance, one message from the angels also for each zodiac sign. So let's see what guidance tarot card has for the month for the zodiac sign of Aries for the month of November 2020. Aries, the guidance for you for the month of April is that you need to be little giving, and or you the guidance is that you need to donate something, some part of your wealth or whatever income you have to poor and needy people. If you do that, that will help you to remove whatever blocks you have into your life, or maybe there might be any situations in your life where you need to give to the other person, and if you do that, that will be a very good thing for you. And the second guidance is that things, some situations or some cycles may end in your life, but definitely if something ends in life, it gives a hope or chance to new beginnings. And maybe you might have invested your time and energies in some situations in your life. At this point of time, you might be feeling you are not getting what you desired, and you are about to give up on that situation. But the guidance from the cards is that you need to have patience and hold down on the situations, because the things are about to materialize in the coming time. Let's see what message the angels have for the zodiac sign of Aries. The angel is Maya. Schooling, studying, and education help your life purpose and personal growth at this time. The angels will guide you and help you in this process. So basically, the guidance is that you need to, if you are a student, or so you need to study, go to a school or go to a college, or if even if you are in any profession but you are doing some courses or studying on some subjects, you need to study and take that education for you, because this education will help you in the coming time in your purpose, in your personal growth. And if you need any help, the angels are there to help and guide you in this situation. So let's see what guidance tarot card have for the zodiac Taurus. Taurus, in the month of November, there might be some opportunities coming from some third person in your life related to work. Okay, and there are hopes and chances, whatever you want to achieve in your life or what you desire may come to fruition. Okay, but for that you need to take guidance for any person who is an expert in that field, or it is also a guidance for you that you need to spend some me time and decide for yourself what decisions you should take in your life that can lead you to whatever you desire in your life. Let's see what angels have message for the zodiac sign of Taurus for the month of November. The angel is Unani. You have a special bond with animals. Your pets on earth and heaven are watched over by the angels. So the guidance for you is that you have a special bond with angels. The guidance is that you need to make that bond with the animals around you. And if you are worried about any of your pet who's not well or who has passed on, the angels are telling they are taking care of them and they are well taken care of wherever they are right now. Let's see what tarot cards have guidance for the zodiac sign of Gemini for the month of November 2020. Gemini, I feel something related to love, or there are chances that some people may even get engaged or get married in the month of November, and that will lead to success completion in your life, or there may be something, some projects or some work you are doing in the month of November that will come to fruition, or that you will be able to complete, or even you may accomplish something in your life that will bring honor and respect for you in the month of November. But still, you need to be little careful in the month of November. Maybe some situations may arise that can lead you into stress or into nightmares. So be little very careful about it. Let's see what the guidance have angels have for you for Gemini. And Triana is the angel. I am leading you towards the answer to your prayers. Please listen and follow the step I am communicating you through intuitions and thought. So, angel is telling they are leading to the you to the way you desire, or what, and they have heard your prayers. You need to listen what the angels are guiding you through messages that might be you might be receiving in the form of thoughts in your memories, or while you're sleeping, or any institutions you are getting again and again, or you are hearing something again and again that are divinely guided, and that is the guidance are through angels, and you need to listen to them. Let's see what guidance tarot cards have for the zodiac sign of Cancer. Cancer, I feel the guidance for you is that in the month of November you need to be very careful because something may happen. Somebody may backstab you, or in if we take it from a point of view of a relationship, some relationship may break, or you may find out that you have been cheated by your partner. But again, some new beginning or some offer related to love or something new may start in the month of November. But as there might be many options available to you, so don't get into confusion and opt for the wrong option. If you will do that, you may end up into some trouble. So be very careful in the month of November. Let's see what guidance, what message angels have for the zodiac sign of Cancer. Oshena, the take action. You are in touch with your truth in this situation, and you need to trust your guts and loving asserted yourself. See, again, the angels are guiding you. You need to trust your gut feelings, okay? And you know the truth of the situation. So, whatever you desire or what you feel is right for you, go according to that and make decisions according to that in the month of November. Let's see what guidance tarot card has for the zodiac signs of Leo. Leo, I feel some situations related to money may get struck in the month of November. Okay, but if you work hard, there can be opportunities related to work, which will help you to give you growth in your work, and you'll be able to progress in your work. And also, some offer related to some love or some relationship may start in the month of November, or it can also be a guidance that you can get into partnership with somebody in the month of November. Let's see what message the angels have for the zodiac sign of Leo for the month of November. Keep charging ahead and don't take no for an answer. Accept miraculous solution to appear. So the message from the angel is that you need to move ahead in whatever you want or whatever you desire in your life, and don't take no for an answer for any situations in your life. And if you do that, you can expect miraculous solutions to appear in your life in the month of November. Let's see what guidance tarot cards has for the zodiac sign of Virgo for the month of November. Virgo, the guidance for you is that in the month of November, you will be able to move forward with any plans or any situations you have decided in your life. But still, you have suffered or faced so much of hard situations in your life that you need to be in your power and be careful if to fight with anything that comes your way. But you need to be very caring and need to deal any situation in your life with a very caring and motherly way to get over the situation. Let's see Virgo, what guidance have the angels have for you. Desire is the angel. No, is the angel. No conditions. No, the conditions aren't favorable right now. Wait and look into other options and ask the angels to help you and guide you and comfort you. So the angels are telling whatever situation you are inquiring about. This is not the favorable time to do that, to take any decision regarding that situation. You need to look into more options and ask the angels to guide you and comfort you if you're not able to decide on anything in your life. Let's see what the tarot cards have guidance for the zodiac sign of Libra for the month of November. Liberals, I feel in the month of November, any sort of celebrations or any sort of outing or any sort of some celebration or some shifting, something that can bring happiness and rejuvenate you in the month of November, that won't be possible, and you need to slow down. You are taking decisions very fast and drastically. If you keep on doing that, you will create more issues and problems into your life, and definitely you're fighting with your situations around, and you need to do that even in the coming month of November. So be little careful, liberals. Let's see what angels have message for you. The angel is Daniel. I am an angel of marriage and I am assisting you right now. So see again, that was a marriage card which was upside down. As I said, maybe anything which was supposed to materialize won't materialize in the month of November. But Daniel is the angel of marriage, and he is saying that I am assisting you. Maybe whatever will happen or what is happening is for your higher good. So have faith and let the situation unfold as it is and let it go if things don't turn out your way. The next guidance is for zodiac sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, in the month of November, you need to be very strong-headed. You need to deal with situations in your life in a very strong way by being positive. It would be like simply like taming a lion in your life in the month of November. There are situations, difficult situations in your life, but you will be able to move forward in the month of November. But for achieving anything in your life, whether it's related to money or a relationship or anything, you need to put a lot of hard work, then only you'll be able to achieve that. Let's see what guidance does the angel have for zodiac sign of Scorpio. It is Archangel Raphael. I am helping you to heal physical challenges in yourself and others, and you are a healer like me. So Archangel is telling he is there to help you to heal your any physical challenge that you are facing right now, and you have that qualities and abilities that even you can help others to heal whatever challenges they are going facing in their life. Let's see what guidance tarot cards have for the zodiac sign of Sagittarius for the month of November 2020. Uh, Sagittarius, I feel some of you might be recovering from some health conditions in the month of November. Okay, and you may receive justice in any situations that you are going through in your life, and even if you are going through some legal cases or something, maybe the decision goes in your favor. And at this point of time, you're juggling many things in your life, and because of that it drains you and you keep you busy and stressed, but that is how life moves on, so you need to keep on continuing that. Let's see what the angels have message for the zodiac sign of Sagittarius. Opal is the angel. Your children on earth and heaven are happy, well cared for by God and the angels. So the angel is telling you don't need to be worried about your children. Wherever they are there, angels are taking care of them. So you do not need to be worried about them. Next guidance is for the zodiac sign of Capricorn. Let's see what tarot cards have for the sign in the month of November. Capricorn, I feel you will be able to achieve whatever you want related to work. Okay, it is a very good month for you if you want to do anything related to work, and if you'll do, you'll definitely get success in that. And there are chances that you may travel, or you may move to some other state or country, and this travel or this growth can be related to anything in your life. It can be related to your spiritual growth also, or your material growth or change also. And the guidance for you is that there is an offer, or there is an offer from God, or there is some blessings coming your way, but you are so stuck up in the situations or the opportunities you have missed in the past that you are not able to see what good is coming into your life. So just get over what is gone, because it is already gone, and the past cannot be changed. So just get over it and move ahead in the future. So if you'll do that, you will be able to find happiness and peace and growth, whatever you want to have in your life. Let's see what message angels have for you. Yes, the timing is right for you. This is for this venture. A happy outcome follows your positive expectations. See, again, as the tarot card guided, that it is a very good time related to work. So even the angels are reconfirming it. They are saying whatever venture you want to start, or you are thinking to get into it, it is the right time to do that. And if you do that, happy outcome and will come, and it will be according to the expectations you are expecting from it. Let's see what guidance tarot card has for the zodiac sign of Aquarius. for the month of November 2020. Aquarius, maybe you may miss out on something, or you wanted to move forward with something in your life, or it can be any thing related to work or change of place that won't be possible in the month of November. But definitely something new is coming into your life. It can be related to love and relationship also, and you can be receiving that offer, and maybe for some people some new relationship or a new friendship may come into light or in the month of November. Let's see what message angels have for you. Astara is the angel. You deserve the best. Reach for the star with your dreams and desires and don't compromise. So the angel is telling you you are worthy of getting the best thing in your life. But what you need to do, you need to reach out for your dreams and desires, and you don't need to compromise on anything in the month of November. Let's see what guidance tarot cards have for the zodiac sign of Pisces. Pisces, I feel in the month of November, things would be very good for you, and there might be opportunities or communications coming your way that will help to bring desire results or whatever you desire into your life. But still, you don't need to be very harsh. You need to deal with the situations in a loving way, and but still you need to be in your own capacity, and you need to be taking charge of your situations in your life, and if you do that you will be able to achieve whatever you desire in the month of November. Let's see what guidance message the angels have for you for the month of November. Omega is the angel. Victory. Your desire is coming to fruition. Keep up the good work. See, even the angels are reconfirming that whatever situation or whatever you desire, whatever you are doing, you'll get victory in that. Okay, and whatever you desire, that will come into fruition. So you need to keep up doing that good work. So thank you so much. These were the guidances through tarot cards and through angel cards for all 12 zodiacs. For any personalized sessions, you can contact me on my number 983 as I do most of my work online on calls, and even you can connect me through my page Divine Healing. So for any future videos, for you need to hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload any future videos, so you get notification for that. Stay tuned for the next video.